In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Zoho Mail in Outlook. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Zoho website. You can do this by typing www.zoho.com into your address bar. Zoho is a comprehensive cloud software suite used for businesses, offering everything from mail services to CRM tools and more. Once you are on the Zoho homepage, look for the sign in button and give that a click. You'll need to enter your Zoho credentials here, which typically includes your email and password. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account, but for this process we're assuming that you've got your credentials ready to go. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to your Zoho homepage. This is the central hub for all things Zoho. What we're interested in today is mail, so go ahead and click on the mail option. This will direct you to your Zoho mail account. Now it's time to configure some of the settings necessary to sync your Zepto mail with Outlook. Look for the settings option within the mail interface. It usually resembles a gear icon, much like settings in other applications, and gives you control over various features of your email account. In the settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Mail Accounts. Click on that and you'll come across a sub option that reads IMAP. Clicking on it will provide more options related to your mail protocol. Now here comes a crucial part of this process. You may see a notice stating that an upgrade is needed. Don't worry, this is something that might pop up if the IMAP service isn't included in your existing plan. With that in mind, our next step is enabling IMAP. IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, is essential for synchronizing your mail across multiple devices, including Outlook. Enabling IMAP ensures that you can access all your emails on Outlook seamlessly. Click on the Enable IMAP option to proceed, and that's it for the configuration part on the Zoho end of things. With IMAP enabled, you're set to go into Outlook and complete the setup there. However, configuring Zoho Mail in Outlook typically involves inputting server and account settings provided when you enable IMAP. Remember, if you hit any snags or if your plan needs an upgrade, Zoho's support is just a click away. And for those of you needing further assistance, detailed guidance is available in the Zoho support documents online. That concludes today's quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching.